Vivo T144W mobile was launched on 4th May 2022. The phone comes with a 60Hz refresh rate, 6.44-inch touch screen display offering a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels at a pixel density of 408 pixel per inch. Vivo T144W is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor. It comes with 4GB of RAM. The Vivo T144W runs Android 12 and is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The Vivo T144W supports fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Vivo T144W on the rear packs a triple rear camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 16 megapixel sensor. The Vivo T144W runs FunTouch OS 12, is based on Android 12 and packs 128GB of inbuilt storage. Vivo T144W price in India starts at 14,499.